Is your TCL TV showing a black screen but you still hear the sound? Don't worry, I've got 6 reliable methods to help you fix this issue. Step 1. Power cycle. Your TV. Unplug your TCL TV from the power outlet, wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Sometimes a simple reset can fix the issue. Step 2. Check the HDMI connections. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected. Try switching the HDMI ports to see if the screen comes back. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on your TV for about 10 seconds. Release it and wait for the TV to restart. Step 4. Adjust the backlight settings. Navigate to your TV's settings menu and adjust the backlight settings. Sometimes the backlight might be turned off or set too low. Step 5. Update the firmware. Go to the settings menu and check for any available firmware updates. Keeping your TV's software up to date can resolve many issues. Step 6. Inspect the power supply board. Carefully open the back of your TV and check the power supply board for any visible damage or loose connections. Look for signs of burnt components, bulging capacitors, or disconnected wires. If you notice anything unusual or if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's best to consult a technician. This step is crucial as power supply issues can often be the root cause of many TV problems. Step 7. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your settings and preferences. Go to the settings menu, select System, then Advanced System Settings, and finally, Factory Reset. Step 8. Test with a different source. Try connecting a different device to your TV, such as a DVD player or a gaming console, to determine if the issue lies with the TV or the original source. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact TCL support or a professional technician. Thanks for watching and good luck.